Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we discuss the molecular geometry of Xenon Oxytetra Flouride. It has a chemical formula of XeOF4, and for that we will look at its Lewis structure first. While determining the molecular geometry of any molecule, the configuration of central atom plays an important part. So we must always note down the number of lone pairs and bond pairs attached to the central atom. Here, xenon is forming 4 single bonds with 4 fluorine atoms and 1 double bond with oxygen atom, and it also has a lone pair of electron on it. The steric number, that is, the sum of lone pairs and bond pairs attached to the central atom, is 6. If we look at the structure in 3D, we can see that the structure of XeOF4 is square pyramidal. Let us confirm that by referring to this table here. Here, A stands for central atom and B is the number of atoms attached to the central atom. We have xenon as central atom and there are 5 atoms attached to it, and that gives us a general formula of AB5. The steric number is 6, out of which 1 is lone pair and others are bond pairs, and that gives us a molecular shape of square pyramidal and the hybridization as sp3d. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.